Let's draw a vertical mikat. In Alef composition we always use 7 to 8 mikat. Move kalam slowly and gently. In Arabic calligraphy, all letters are bent from the end. Hold kalam at 75 degrees. For Taj we will hold kalam at 80 degrees. Extended from the first edge, it is in dot technique to draw perfect Taj. Taj length is of 1.5 kat. This is the ideal way to draw Taj. Alef in Naskh calligraphy dot is so simple and elegant. Here is another way to write Alef. Hope you guys like all these techniques. Like and subscribe so you can get an update for upcoming videos.